How to log in to Universal Credit account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Universal Credit account. Universal Credit is a social security payment system in the UK designed to support individuals who are on low incomes or unemployed. Now to get started, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. On the browser, you will need to enter www.gov.uk and then press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to this page. In this page, you need to scroll down and here under popular on gov.uk, you need to find Universal Credit account. Once you find it, you need to click on this link, and once you click on this link, here you will reach to this page. Here scroll down and under the sign into your Universal Credit account, here you will be able to see sign in button at the very bottom. Here you will also see the steps on how you can sign in to your Universal Credit account. Now go ahead and click on this sign in button, and after doing that, you will be presented with this sign in interface. You need to scroll down and now enter your credentials. In the first box, enter your username. And in the second box, enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. If in case you don't remember your username or password and couldn't log into your account, then you may click on this forgotten username link or forgotten password link just below these boxes, and then from there you need to follow the instructions in order to retrieve or reset your username and password. So now after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the bottom, and then you will be able to log in to your Universal Credit account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.